How old are you?
4 years.
Which class you are studying?
Junior LKG.
What is your father's name?
Anjanelu.
What is your school name?
Ma Sai Bodhi Riksha.
What is your class teacher name? What is your class teacher name?
Harika teacher.
What is your school principal name?
Manhar Vikram.
What is our country name? What is our country name?
India.
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
What is our national animal?
Tiger.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our district name?
India.
What is our district name?
District name. Hyderabad.
Simukam, Varangal.
Warangal.
Who is our collector?
Narasimha.
Karuna.
Karna.
How many colors in our national flag? How many colors in our national flag?
3 colors.
Who is our prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
Who is our president?
Narasimha.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Mukherjee.
What is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
How many days in a week?
7 days.
What are they?
January, February,
Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
How many months in a year? How many months in a year?
206.
12 months in a year. What are they?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Very good. Who is our CM? Who is our CM?
KCR.
Which is the world's biggest bird?
Indian.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
15 dollars.
When do we celebrate? Tarvata. When do we celebrate Teachers Day? Neatga కూర్చో. Neatga కూర్చో.
5th September.
What is the capital city of India? What is the capital city of India?
Hyderabad.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Which is the smallest bird in the world? Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
What is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
What is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Who is the father of nation? Who is the father of nation?
Mummy.
Who is the father of nation? Gandhi.
Gandhi.
Who is our governor?
Narasimha.
How many fingers do you have?
10.
What is our state name? What is our state name?
Manchiri.
Telangana. What is our state festival?
In
which fruit contains vitamin C?
Orange.
How many colors in rainbow?
7 colors.
What is your nickname?
Amulu.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
Cherry.
Cherry. What is the capital city of Telangana?
Hyderabad.
Very good. Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Hummingbird.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Which insect gives us honey?
Honeybee.
Which is the most beautiful insect?
Butterfly.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
1 brother.
How many days in a year?
206.
365.
3, 6, 5,
How many
days.
many seasons are there?
4 seasons.
What is your state game?
Kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi.
What is your state bird?
Huh?
What is our state bird?
Penguin.
Indian roller.
Indian roller.
How many bones are there in a human body?
2 not 6.
The bird which cannot fly.
Penguin.
Very good. అట్లా మధ్య